Hello, my name is Ken Harrison, and I'm the President and CEO here at G&B Corporation. Sometimes customers ask me, what makes G&B different? Why should I do business with G&B? I want to answer that question for you today. One of the differences that we have is that we manufacture what we sell. Many of our competitors buy products from all over the world. They put it into a catalog and they sell it throughout the vacuum industry, and you can be very successful doing that. But with us, the items that we have in our catalog, we actually manufacture. We have different manufacturing facilities around the world, and they're highly efficient. But if you come to us, we take full responsibility for everything. For the design, for the manufacturing, for the schedule. You're not going to one person and they're having to refer to somebody else and they're communicating back and forth. We are the manufacturer and we manufacture what we sell. That also means that we have full control over the quality. Some of our competitors have products that come in from different sources. So if you buy two of the exact same part number, they may look a little bit different. They may function a little bit different. And the material qualifications may be a little bit different. What we do is the same every time. We are a copy exact supplier. If you order the same part number, you get the exact same design because we have full control over the design, the manufacturing, and the quality. Another thing that is different is that we have material traceability on everything that we sell. Or at least, if you ask us up front, we will make sure that we have material traceability. For some of our competitors, if you ask for material traceability, they'll say, well, we may get it, we may not. Sometimes they give you a range. Well, it could have been manufactured by this lot number or this lot number or this material slab. We're not really sure, but that's the time frame that it was running in our shop, so it's one of those. But with us, we have traceability. In the vacuum industry, there are standards. There are ISO standards, there are ASA standards, there are other standards. What people don't often know is that those standards are not very precise. If you buy an ASA flange, there's quite a variety of different types of flanges. If you buy an ISO flange, sometimes it can have English threads or it can have metric threads and so forth. When you buy everything that you need from the same supplier, you know it's going to fit, it's going to work together, it's going to be very compatible. Whereas if you buy something and even though you think you're buying it to a standard, you may find variations to where things don't really work together as well as you had hoped. Therefore, for the best quality, for the best delivery, and the best price, very, very competitive prices, we ask that you consider G&B. Come to us. We have a full range and we manufacture what we sell. If you would like to contact us, you can call our phone number, email us, or visit our website.